Hello everyone, welcome back to my session. Welcome to Learn Forward. So what are we going to learn today? We are going to do vowel sound words from Hi Kids, Phonics skill books from Feather Cap. So let's see what all exercises this chapter has. By now, we all very well know what are vowels and what are consonants. 5 vowels and 21 consonants. So by now we know what are consonants, what are vowels, what are A sound words, what are E sound words, what are I sound words, what are U sound words, and what are O sound words. Oh, I have put an O after U. Doesn't matter. So I hope you do the revision of these sessions very regularly, because today we have mixed exercises and I'm going to confuse them and fuse them, and you have to answer me. Today, those who do not answer me, that means you are not learning the sessions after these sessions. You are not doing the revision. So let's see about the mixed exercises. Now, vowel sound words. Now, the first exercise is unscramble the letters to get the correct name of the pictures. Now, what is unscrambling? When you have few things in an organized way and you put them here and there. So, you put them here. Have you seen the puzzle? Do you play with the puzzle? What do? You put the alphabet, you put the blocks here and there, and that's an activity to put them in an order. So similar way, when you disorganize something, so making it organized is unscrambling. So can you see what is this? Now the exercise name is unscramble the letters to get the correct name of the pictures. Now these are the pictures and their words are scrambled. Now we have to unscramble them. We have to put them correctly. Alright, what is this now? This is a jug. J-U-G, jug. And what have they written? U-J-G. Oh, they are trying to confuse us. But we are intelligent students. We are not going to get confused. We are going to solve this puzzle. Let's solve it. So they have put G at the back, U in the center, and U in the front and J in the center. So what is the spelling of jug? J-U-G. So we are going to unscramble it. So let's choose a pen first. What color do you want? I like somehow purple color. Let me choose purple color. So let me write J-U-G, jug. Okay, I need to J, U and G, jug. I have unscrambled it. So coming to the next picture. What is this? This is a pig, P-I-G, pig. Now they have written J-I-P, jib. So we'll bring the P from last to the front. We'll write down P, I, G. Don't go on my handwriting. It is little difficult, little tricky to write on the screen. Now we have unscrambled it. Now coming to the next one. What do you see here? This is a top. This is a top. So what have they written? What is the spelling of top? T-O-P, top. Now what they have done? They have put the P in the front, T in the center, O at the last. We are going to unscramble it. We are going to write T-O-P, top. Now coming to the next one. What is this? This is a hen, H-E-N, hen. So we have to unscramble it. They have written E-N-H, inch. This is no word. So we'll bring the H in the front, E in the center, and N at the last. We are going to write H-E-N, N, hen. Clap for yourself. Now this is a cap. Now what have they written? C-P-A. So C as in we are going to write. Okay. What comes next? A. Oh, here is the A. C-A-P, cap. Cap. We have unscrambled it. Now coming to the next one, the last one. Oh, this is cute little fox. But they have written X-O-F. And what is the correct spelling of fox? F-O-X. So we are going to bring F in the center, F in the front. We are going to bring F in the front, O in the center, and X at the last. Fox! Clap for yourself. They think we are fools, but we are not fools. We are very intelligent students. We have solved the problem. Now coming to the next one. Read the words and write them in the correct column. One has been done for you. Okay. Now they have their mixed words of A, E, I, O and U. They have mixed words of all the vowels. So here we have to write down the A sound words. So we have to find out all the A sounds from this, from this kind of train. We have to find out all the A sounds of words from these jumbled words. Okay. Now this is A sound word. No, 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 no. Yes, I found out finally F-A-N, fan. So I'm going to write down here F-A-N, fan. Okay. F. Oh, let me, where my screen has gone. That side, not a screen. We are going to write F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. Now, what's the next one? We have to again find out one L-A-G sound word. Again found out B-A-G, bag. Now I'm writing B-A-G, bag. Okay. Now coming to the next one, we have to hear written E sound words. We have to again find out the E sound words from the top. Oh, it's so easy. P-E-T, pet. So I'm writing down here P-E-T, pet. Done. Don't go on my handwriting. Again, one more word we have to find out with E sound word. N-E-T, net. This is so interesting and so simple. We have to find out net. Very well done. Very well done. Now again we have to find out E sound words. I've got P-E-N, pen. So P-E-N, pen. Yes. P-E-N, pen. Very good. Now jumping on to the next one, here we have to find out I sound words. What is the sound of I? E. Now here I sound S-I-T, sit. So easy. I can find them so easily. Sit. Okay. Now again on top of it F-I-G, fig. So I am writing down here all I sound word. Now sit, fig. One more I sound word. L-I-D, lid. I have to write down here L-I-D, lid. Okay. Now jumping on to the next one. Here we have to identify all O sound words. Where are the O sound words? Where are the... I've got one. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. Okay, I'm done. Now again, one more word we have to find out. D-O-G, dog. I have found out. D-O-G, dog. Right, right. Now, dog is done. One more. P-O-D, pod. P-O-D, pod. So, here like this, we are coming to the end of this exercise. Now, only you are left. So, whatever the left words are will be fitting into it. Isn't it so easy? But we'll try to find out. U sound words. U, where are you? Oh, H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. Okay. Now, again U, M-U-G, mug. M-U-G, mug. M-U-G, mug. Now, the third one, N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. Like this. Clap for yourself. We are done with this exercise. Now, the next one. Okay. So, the next one is match the pictures to their names. Okay, they're the beautiful pictures. Can you see the pictures? Now, these are the pictures and these are the names. So, we have to match them. But this time, the catch is that these are mixed ones. Okay? So this is, what is this? Pen. P-E-N, pen. Where do you see the pen, pen, pen? Oh, this is pan. We have found pen. Very good. Now what is this? What is this? Can anybody tell me? What is this? This is a tin. T-I-N, tin. So where do you see the tin? Here it is. Very good. And what picture is this? This is a pan. This is a pan. P-A-N, pan. So let's see where we can find out the pen. Here it is. Now coming to the next one. This is a top. T-O-P, top. Where do you see the top? Here it is. Let me match the top with the top. Now the next one is map. M-A-P, map. Only two are left, bus and map. So easy. Now the last one, B-U-S, bus. So let's match the bus with the bus. Okay. Done. Very good. Very good. It broke in between. Now, are you all doing this exercise with me? Okay. Now, say the names of the picture and fill in the blank. These are the beautiful pictures and we have to find out what will come in the center. Which vowel will come in the center. Now, these are the mixed exercise. So, we have to use our little tiny brain. So, what is this? This is a very easy picture. Bin. B-U-N, bin. No, that's bun. This is B-I-N, bin. So, what are we going to write? Bin, I. So, the next one. This is a cup. Yes, I think it's a cup. No, it's a sun. So, what comes in the center? U. S-U-N, sun. Very good. Now, which picture is this? This is a little tiny rat. What comes in a rat? A. R-A-T, rat. Now, the next one. What is this? This comes again and again. So, this is a hen. H-E-N, hen. So, H-A-N, no, that will be hand and that's no word. This is hen. H-E-N, hen. Yes. Now, this is again a this picture is coming very frequently. Very easy. J-E-T, jet. Jet, jet. So, we are going to write U. No, that will be jet. So, we are going to write E here. Jet. Now, this is a big tin. No. Fin. No. Wig. No. Box. So, what comes in the center? B-O-X. Box. Wonderful. Very well done. Very well done. So, let's see. Next exercise. Now, identify the picture and color the letter of its name in yellow. Okay. Also, write the name in the blank provided. One has been done for you. So, we have to do two things in this exercise. First of all, we have to identify the alphabets of the picture. Supposing this is a bag. So, what all alphabets are used in a bag? B, A, G. So, we have to identify those alphabets and color them yellow. Then we have to write down the words also. We have to write down all the alphabets of this picture. Now, one is done for you, B-A-G, bag. So, let's see. First of all, choose a yellow color. Now, this is what? This is a tin? A man? No, this is the box. This is a box. So, what all alphabets are used in writing a box? B, O, and X. So, we have to identify these three letters from the series of letters. A, no. X, yes. We have to choose the highlighter. Yes, as instructed, we have to fill this with a yellow color. Now, C, no. O, yes, B-O-X, box. Very good. Now, F, no. B, yes, B-O-X, box. Okay, so we'll be writing it down later. Okay, we'll choose a black color. Now, what is this? What is this? Which fruit is this? Apple? No. Banana? No. This is a fig. This is a purple fig. So, what is the spelling of fig? F-I-G. So, we have to identify F-I-G. Is no. I, yes. G, yes. Not like me, yes. O, no. O, no. F, yes. How do we say yes? Yes. F-I-G, fig. We are going to write it later. Now, this is what? Net. Now, can anybody tell me what's the spelling of net? I have been continuously speaking, so I had forgotten the spelling of net. What is the spelling of net? N-E-T, net. So, identify where is N, where is the E, and where is T. Okay, it's so easy. We did not have to do any effort. U, no. E, yes. Yes. Q, no. S, no. T, yes. It's already there. N-E-T, net. Now, which picture is this? Fun? Gun? No. This is a sun. So, what is the spelling of sun? S-U-N. So, we have to identify these three letters. K, no. S, yes. T, I, no. N, yes. V, no. U, yes. Wonderful, wonderful. Clap for yourself. So, we are done with the first exercise. Now, the second one is write the name in the blank provided. Now, we have to write it here, the name of this picture here. For that, we'll use a pen. That too, we'll choose a black color only. Okay. Now, this is a box. So, we'll be writing here. Beautifully, we'll try to write. Oh, sorry. You have to erase it. Okay, let me redo it. Eraser, where are you? Yes. Again. So, I'll just join it. B, O, X. I'm finding it a little difficult to write on the screen, but you can do easily in your copies. All right. Now, this is, which fruit is this? Fig. So, we have already colored F, I and G. So, we'll simply write down here fig. Okay. F, I and G. Okay. So, now the next one is net. N-E-T, net. So, we'll be writing here net. N, E and T, net. Okay. Now, the last one, S-U-N, sun. So, we'll be writing down here S-U-N, sun. Oh, so simple. I hope you have enjoyed these exercises, these mixed exercises. You know what will happen when you will do it separately. So, it will be very easy for you children. Like you are doing I sound words. So, you know everywhere it's gonna, we have to write I. When it's E sound words, everywhere you are going to write E. U, similarly. So, but when we do mixed exercise, that's the right way of doing. Because there we use a brain. Because the mixed exercises, we have to identify the A, E, I, O, U. So, you should emphasize a lot on these mixed exercises. So, do them a couple of times. You can take extra help. You can find out extra exercises. You can ask your mama to make extra exercises for you. So, keep doing it and keep strengthening your vowels. Okay. So, take care. Lots of love. Keep exercising. Keep doing hard work. Till we meet next. Bye-bye. And where is it? Happy learning to you all. Love you kids. Bye-bye.